All right, Merry Christmas. I love this. I love that we get to do a Christmas kit. And this one is so cool. So we have been on a roll lately with our special edition, limited edition kits. We did our Halloween, we did our coffee kit, which was so much fun. We've got our Christmas kit, and I have plans for 2025. We are going to do some fun stuff. The one we have coming up with February, you guys are going to love. It's so cool. Very, very, very excited. It's a little something different. And then I've got some other plans for other things coming up for 2025, some special edition kits that we've not ever done before. So super excited. And I am remembering this time. You guys have called me out, where are the stickers in the unboxing? So I'm going to show you the stickers. So I'm telling you, I'm going to do it. All right. You can purchase, or you may have already if you are a subscriber, and I don't know at this point, they're not sold out yet. So if you are not a subscriber, we might have some left for you guys. I hope so. But it's a perk we offer subscribers first, dibs to add it. So you can purchase this is a bundle. So you will get the kit and the stickers, or just the kit. And then if we have any left, we'll offer them separately. Does that make sense? So as a subscriber, you would either get the kit or the bundle with the kit with the stickers. If we have any left over, then we will list the stickers and the kits separately. So let me show you the Christmas kit stickers, or the Christmas sticker kit. Super cute. Look at those. That's my favorite sheet right there. I was so excited to have those labels. They look like labels, and I love them. And I want to put them on tags and put them on gifts. I think they're so cute. And then a pretty red, and it kind of has a little stripe in there, alpha sheet, and then the vellum sheet, the fun sayings. There's a couple of the cute little bulldog clips in there. So super, super fun. That is the Christmas sticker kit. All right, we're going to move on to our kit. And there is so much in here. Look at that. I can't hardly shut this. This is crazy. There's so many goodies in here. And make sure you check out my project video and my stamping video where I show you some fun ways to use all of the stuff in the kit. I am going to show you a little bit of something in here, though, that I started that I am going to work on because it turned out really, really cute. So you get a half yard of this great red pom-pom ribbon. You get a roll of washi tape that is kind of collage-like, but it has the music notes and that in it. Isn't that pretty? Love that. With stamps and the snowflakes. It's so pretty. You get a roll of that. You get a set of fun buttons. I love Christmas. I really do. You get this gorgeous big 4x6 stamp set. And like I said, make sure you check out my stamping video. It comes in one of our handy dandy little storage sleeves. But one of the things that I did want to point out, so if you don't have, which you should watch my stamping video. But if you don't, I wanted to point out on this stamping set, there's a couple of lines. There's a curved line, a longer curved line, and a straight line. These are meant to be used with the little light bulbs. So you can make little strings of lights. Isn't that fun? So you can layer those of the little twinkle lights with those. Or you can use the long one here if you want to hang the Christmas bulbs as well. So if you want to have that all coming down on a tag, super cute with that. I'll show you how I used this one and punched it for my little mini album. you get that beautiful stamp set. You get a notepad. So check this out. You get a notepad and a notepad holder. I love this notepad, but let me show you. So you will get it like this. You will need to put the elastic on it. Has a little pen holder. Isn't that pretty? And you can hold it. I have my little card in there. So that the elastic just goes through there, and you put your notepad in there. And now all of the lists that you have to make for the holidays, this can go in your purse. You have your gift list, your menu list, your grocery list, all the things that you have to have a million lists for during this season. You can throw your receipts in here. Super, super nice and handy. You can throw some receipts in the back there if you need to. This can go in your purse and you've got it ready. And I just feel like it's such a handy little addition. Now, there are a lot of ways. If you get our mini notebook or if you get a passport size notebook, you can alter this. And we've had a number of people on our Facebook group, on our Cocoa Daisy fan page, that tells you how to alter these, and you can use it as a cover for a mini or a passport size. So you can do that as well. The other thing I want to mention, these work great for journaling. So if you're doing a document December or you're doing any sort of scrapbooking, these work great to add your journaling to things as well. So it's a dual purpose. Obviously, you can use it for lists. Throw that in your purse. You're good to go. How cute is that, right? I love that. I love, just like we had the full standard TN cover in our coffee kit, which was amazing. I love being able to add stuff like this in our kits. So you get that. And this is kind of a mix of, it's kind of like modern vintage, right? It's kind of the way I feel about this. You get two 4x6 cards. You get this one with the ho, ho, ho. And then you get this one that says greetings from the North Pole, kind of looks like a postcard. You get four 3x4 cards. You get that one. See, kind of old school, but modern, right? I love this one. Would be so cute on a page about recipes or dinner. And then the fa la la, I think that one's cute too. You get a beautiful set of red puffy alphas. And I love these. You get an entire set of gold puffy number stickers. And there's 1 through 31. So if you are doing like a document December or a photo a day, this is perfect for that. Or if you just want to use the numbers, you can do that too. And then, these are really fun. You get 2 of these. They're felt, but they have the embroidery on them of the Merry and Bright. Aren't they cute? And they're adhesive backed, so they will stick to whatever you want them to stick to. You get 2 of those. You get a set of die cuts. And we have a bunch of cute things in here. Oh, remember, these are basically stickers because they have adhesive back. So there's a cute little Christmas bulb. There's some Christmas packages. Aren't they pretty? There's some fun tags in here. I love that one. It's a cute little car. And then just kind of some little ephemera pieces, which are fun to layer too. And then these beautiful bows. Check out those bows. Aren't they cute? It's another tag and another present. Another little bulb. And then, as you all know how nuts I get about tags, right? So we have another set of die cuts that are, and you just punch the little hole out. So they are little tags. Aren't they cute? Green one, all I want for Christmas. So fun. The little holiday baking, like how cute is all of that together? Look at that. I love that. The Be Merry and the Christmas time and then the season's greetings. I love this color palette too. And then you get a fun, because again, can't get enough of these. And I have one of these in the Halloween kit. And I embossed it with white embossing powder and I did the ghosts on it. And I loved that. I love using white embossing powder on craft paper. So to me, if you did the Christmas on here, or if you did the little sparkles, if you did the snowflakes from our other stamp set on here and used white embossing powder, how pretty would that be on the craft? So you get one of those envelopes. You get a sheet of rub-ons. Love the black snowflakes on there. You get a beautiful sheet of vellum with the gold. And then you get 6 sheets of pattern paper. And you get 2 of each design. They're double-sided. And a pretty blue. Isn't that pretty? And then love that kind of candy cane stripe. And then the pretty plaid. So that's a look at all of the goodies that you get in this kit. There is a ton of stuff in this kit. I'll go through this more in depth in my project video, but I wanted to just kind of show you real quick the way that I took a couple of things and started to layer them to create that whole idea of doing a photo a day. And what I did is I stamped that one circle stamp and then punched it out, and I have that as a little tab along the side, and then used the gold numbers to add in my number. And then, so these are just kind of like the foundation pages, and I'll build on these and just keep going. Isn't that cute? The little ring is mine. So yeah, so I just cut up some of the papers and added them in there. And you can add the envelope in there, would be super cute. You can add the other smaller cards. You can cut up more pieces. You can add tags in here. You can add sheets from the Notepad in here. So a lot of fun ways that you can use that. And I had to show you the little pom-pom fringe, because how cute is that? So that is a look at our Christmas kit. You're going to love this. Throw that in your purse. I love it. And the sticker kit. So I hope you were able to snag one of these. Like I said, make sure you, even if you weren't, throw your name on that wait list. You never know if we come up with a couple after shipping. We might have a few. Or if like I said, if they don't sell out to subscribers, we will have some listed. And you can snag them up. And watch for an email that comes out and it tells you the specific date that they come up for sale for non-subscribers if we have any left. So we will make sure and let you know. But Merry Christmas and enjoy playing with that kit.